My name is Paul Shaughnessy and I'm here today to speak to you about juggling. Juggling is a great example of a very fine-tuned and learned motor skill. It is an incredibly rich combination between geometry, dynamics and neuroscience. So let me explain to you a little bit about it. The study that set up the whole interest of neurojuggling was conducted by a German research group back in 2004. These researchers, they scanned the brains of 24 young participants using MRI scans. Half of the participants were given 3 months to learn the 3-ball cascade. Their brains were then scanned and juggling was prohibited for a further 3 months until a final scan was taken. The researchers found that the brains of the participants in the juggling group showed spatial differences in parts of their brain associated with speed of visual processing and storage of complex visual information, otherwise known as the brain's grey matter. What this study says is that their brains literally got bigger. What I found most interesting with this discovery is that you don't necessarily have to be a good juggler in order for grey matter to increase. It's simply the act of learning how to juggle that causes grey matter to grow. Interestingly, another part of the brain showed growth during juggling training. This area of the brain is called the hippocampus and it is responsible for the generation of new neurons. The generation of new neurons is very important for the formulation of memory, and many neuroscientists believe that the formulation of new memory is very important for preventing the onset of Alzheimer's. This could suggest that juggling is just as beneficial for older people as it is for younger ones, even if not more so. Juggling is a very stimulating activity as well as incredibly mindful. When learning new tricks, you rely on left brain processes, carefully focusing and analysing the steps. When practicing previously mastered tricks, you rely on right brain processes, relaxing into a more fluid and intuitive state. There's something very satisfying about learning new tricks. We respond very positively when working through challenges and ultimately achieving our goals. The process of learning a new skill, like juggling, releases a chemical in the brain. This chemical is known as dopamine and is a reward hormone and gives a sense of achievement when learning something new. Interestingly, juggling has also been proved to reduce anxiety when practiced on a daily basis. There's also been scientific studies where juggling is used to investigate how we interact with the world. The information gained from these studies has been vital in the assistance of the development of robotic movement. All in all, juggling is a very exciting and enjoyable activity that I feel everyone could benefit from. In the same way that juggling requires continuous learning and analysing new techniques to perfect your skill set, I aim to apply these principles to my process to become the best designer that I can be. Thanks for coming by and looking forward to hearing back from you.